Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you doing well. So, if you recently bought the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 or the Watch Ultra 2, so here are some of the features and tips and tricks that you guys can try out on it. At the moment, I do not have the Galaxy Watch 9, so I'll be using the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Watch 6 Classic. But don't worry, you can try out these features on your Watch 8 as well, so make sure to watch this video till very end. So starting off with this first one, so if you long press your button, it will launch the Bixby app, but you can change that by going into the Galaxy wearable settings, then tap on button and gestures. After tapping on double press, you can remap it to multiple other apps. For example, I will choose calculator, and on long pressing, I will choose this power off menu. So now whenever I will double tap, it will launch the calculator app, and on long pressing, it will launch the power menu. You can remap it according to your need. You can also choose assistant for it. Now moving on to the next one. So if you will go into the Galaxy wearable app, then tap on safety and emergency, you can turn on this hard fall detection. So your watch will automatically call an emergency number when your watch detects a hard fall. There are multiple other options also available, like require swipe to call, countdown, and many other options are available. There is a countdown that you can set to launch the call. You can also further explore the options according to your need. Now let's move on to the next one. So in the advanced features, you will get to see this option of remote connection. So if you will turn on, it will sync the data between your phone and the watch using your Wi-Fi. Or if you have a LTE version, using your LTE on the watch, if the Bluetooth connection is not available in this case. Now let's move on to the next one. So after going into the general, then tapping on orientation, so using this you can change the orientation of your watch. For example, if you will turn the orientation to the left, you will have to change the straps of your watch, and now you can use the buttons from the left side. As you can see, I have changed the button position on the left side. You can also change the wrist position on the right or left. And if you want to use the button direction on the right side, so simply tap on right, and then you can tap on the wrist direction. Now let's move on to the next one. So if you want to sideload any music, then you want to listen it on your earbuds, that is also possible. Simply tap on this icon over here. Then to add the music, you have to go into the Galaxy wearable app and tap on manage content. After tapping on manage content, tap on tracks on watch. These are the available tracks on watch, and to add, simply tap on this plus icon to add any track on your watch. Now let's move on to the next one. So from the app drawer, you can relocate your apps as well. Simply long press on the app, then you can relocate it. You can also make folders of the apps. Simply long press on an app, then move it on to another app. And this is how you can create a folder for both of these apps. You can create multiple folders on your watch if you want to create a minimal look for your watch app drawer. So now let's move on to the next one. So if you want to control the camera of your phone using your watch, so you can install this app named as Camera Controller. From this app, you can control the camera of your phone directly from your watch. You can also capture images through it. So by now you might have already knew about this tiles option, that you have these multiple tiles. You can swipe right or left, but if you want to skip multiple tiles, so from the right to left you just have to swipe quickly and it will skip 3 tiles. Talking about tiles, so if you want to add a tile of this workout and you work out a lot, so you can do so by simply tapping on this plus icon, and from here you have to search for that workout tile. Simply select the tile from here and place it in the right position. There are multiple workouts available over here as you can see, but if you want to do some other exercise, so that is also possible. Simply tap on this add icon, and there are multiple new exercises also available that you guys can select from here. Almost every kind of exercise is available. Simply tap on it and add. So the next feature is really useful if you want to locate your phone. Simply tap on this find option, then tap on this find my phone, tap on start. This is how you can find your phone if it is lost. Similarly, from the phone find option, you can locate your watch as well. So now let's move on to the next feature. So you guys might be missing out this one. Simply go into the settings, then tap on buttons and gestures. After going into the buttons and gestures, you will get to see that there are multiple gesture controls available. Like this one over here, double pinch, and many other gesture controls are available with the watch. I will make a dedicated video on these gesture controls, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will be uploading that universal gesture control video very soon, as it will be easy to understand for you if I make a dedicated video for it. Now let's move on to the next one. So your watch comes with some preloaded watch faces, but you can also add some more cool watch faces. For that, make sure to like and subscribe this channel as I upload a watch face video almost every week. So from that, you can get to see some free watch faces for your Galaxy Watch that you guys can download from the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. So now let's move on to the next feature. So from the Samsung Health features, you can also use the ECG and blood pressure monitor as well. But for that, you will have to make sure that your Samsung Health monitor is region supported, as these features are only available for some certain regions. I hope that Samsung will increase the regions in which this feature will be available. Now let's move on to the next one. So you can also install this very cool app which is known as Omnimetrics. So if you were a Ben 10 fan in your childhood, so you can install this app named as Omnimetrics. Using it, you can see that there are multiple aliens available and you can scroll left or right. It will give you a Omnitrix feel, so you can try it out as well. And lastly, I will suggest you to keep your watch updated to the latest version. So to do that, you just have to swipe up, then you have to tap on settings, and from here scroll all the way down and tap on this software update option, then download and install. From here you will get to see the latest updates available. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the tips and tricks that you guys can try out on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Let me know your favorite tips and tricks in the comment section below, and if you have any others, also let us know in the comments below. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.